So Samsung has started working to convert these imagination into some proper reality. We just saw a top-notch Galaxy phone and now it's time to talk about the next Galaxy A series phone. This particular phone would resemble S10's design to a certain limit, but when we consider price to design ratio of Galaxy A8s, it will definitely become the day of 2018. Moving to the main highlight of this video, Ice Universe tips that the Galaxy A8s may become world's first hole-in-screen smartphone. He also imagined the upcoming trend by posting this picture, and as you can see, it simply shows a tempered glass with a hole at the top left corner and a thin bottom bezel. By this first look, we can say that the A8s will admire a huge screen-to-body ratio. Also, if you can wait for a good long time, you'll get to see more and more smartphones with this design. I'm telling this because Samsung demands a big pocket cut for every new innovation that becomes quite normal after a couple of days. I'm not against this marketing strategy, but considering other aspects too, the Galaxy mid-range phones are not mid-range anymore. Let's admit this, as we have Galaxy A9 with quad camera and OnePlus 6T with a bunch of good features, so that depends upon you, whether you'll go for a gimmick or a proper flagship phone. When we talk about the hole-in-display tech, it's important to know how big it would be, as we are accepting these techniques to get a good screen-to-body ratio. According to some unconfirmed reports, Samsung Mobile.news suggests the camera cutout to be 6.7mm big, which is quite more than we expect it to be. I really don't know about the actual size, but if this is it, I'm not gonna admire that at all. But the feature I would go for on the A8s is an in-screen fingerprint scanner. Yup, Samsung may introduce an optical in-screen fingerprint scanner with the mid-range A series phone. However, it shouldn't be as good as the upcoming S10 stack just because of a big gap between optical and ultrasonic fingerprint security. All after that, take this as a pinch of salt for now and tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.